Hello students. In this video, I will be talking about constructing the binary tree using the tree traversals. Okay, so let us start the video. So first thing is I will be constructing a binary tree using preorder, traversal and in order. See, you can only use in order. One type of traversal that is compulsory is in order. So in order should be there. So you can construct the tree using in order and pre-order and in order and post order. Okay. In order and post order. You can construct using pre-order and post order together, but then that is not included. So I have not included that in the video. So first one is you have to use in order and pre-order. The other one is in order and post-order traversal. Okay, so we'll do this method first. So let me write one pre-order. Pre-order. The pre-order is A, B, D, E, C, F and G. This is my pre-order and I will also write in order. So it is D, B, E, A, F, C, G. Okay. So this is the in order and pre-order. If you remember, in order is left child followed by root, then the right child. Okay. And pre-order is root, left child, and the right child. This is how you will traverse using in order and pre-order. Now you have to construct the tree. First thing is you have to identify the root of the tree. See here, in case of in order, root will come in the middle. So you're not able to figure out actually in this particular traversal where is the root at the beginning. So what we will do is we will be using in pre-order. So pre-order, if you see root comes in the very start. So here you can say that A is the root. Understand? A is the root. Okay. So A will be the root. Okay. So first step is you have to identify the root. So in case of pre-order, root also always comes in the first. So I am taking A as a root. Then what you have to do is A is a root. You understood, right? So A in order is over here. So you can understand that left will be everything that is to the left of your root and right child will be everything to the right of the root. So it means that D, B and E will come to the left of the root and F, C and G will come to the right of the root. Are you clear with this? Okay. Okay, so we are done with identifying the left child and child. Now you can go ahead and do the left side tree first and then the right side tree. The order doesn't matter. So let me first do the left child of A. So if you see left child of A is having it is having three different nodes, so D, B and E. Now you have to figure out which is the next root. It can be D, it can be B or it can be E. So how do you figure out? You have to again look at the pre-order because pre-order is having the root first, right? So again if you see B is the root. B comes after A. A is already put, so B is the root now. So place B here like this. Okay. After you do that, you understand in order. Okay, see, B is over here. So to the left of B, which node is there? E. And to the right of B, which node is there? E. So this means that D will come to the left of B and E will become the right child of B. This is how it works. Okay. Then see, A is included in the tree, D is done, D is also done, E is also done. Now C, F, C and G. F, C and G. See very carefully again the next particular node that is available is C. So here C will become the root. Okay. Then after that you will come to here and see that C is in the this position. So the node to the left of it is F and to the right side is G. So this is how you will construct the tree. Are you clear? Let me do one more example so that you understand. Okay. So pre-order and in order. So pre-order. Let me take the pre-order. Okay. So 9, 1, 2, 12, 9, 1, 2, 12, 7, 5, 3, 3. Sorry. Let me write it correctly. 7, 5, 3, 11, 4. Sorry, this is, I'll use this for the different one. Okay, I'll use a different value for pre-order. Okay, let's say 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10. And 11, 5, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10. 11, 5, 3, 6, 7. The in order is 8, 4, 10, 9, 11, 2, 5, 1, 6, 3 and 7. Okay. Now with these values, let me try to construct the tree. Understand this. Okay. So it goes like this. Just a second. I'll pause the video. Okay. So let's continue. So remember, pre-order is root, left child, and then right child. Sorry, right child, right child. And this is in order. So left, then root, then right. Okay. So what you have to do is initially you have to identify the root. So the root in this is you have to find where the root is. In order, it is difficult to find because root is in the middle. So what you do is you go to the pre-order. In pre-order, root will come at the very beginning. So 1 is the root. You understand? 1 is the root. I'll write like this. Then you have to identify where is 1 in the in order. See, 1 is here. So everything that comes after it will become the right child and the ones before it becomes the left child. Okay. So that means 8, 4, 10, 9, 11, 2 and 5. This becomes a left child and 6, 3 and 7 will become the nodes of the right child. Now, because there are so many, again, you will have to again construct the node. Okay, see here, the tree. See, look very carefully. 1 is already done. So, you will try to, now what I will do is just for easy understanding. Okay, I'll start from the left. See, look very carefully. 1 is done. So, what is the next value I have? 2. So, 2 becomes the new root here. So, in this tree, 2 becomes the new root. So, the values that are to the left of 2 is these values, and to the right are these values. So 8, 4, 10, 9, and 11 are the nodes of the left tree, and 5 is for the right. And here, because there is only one node, 5 will directly take the position. Now, again, identify the, I have to construct the tree for these nodes. Okay. So again, identify the next root possible. The next root possible is 2. Correct? Not 2, sorry, 4. So 4 is over here. So everything towards the right becomes a right child, and to the left, it becomes a left child. So 4 is the root. So to the left, you have 8, and to the right, you have 10, 9, and 11. Okay. So 10, 9, and 11. So again, because there is only one node, that will directly become the left child. Now 10, 9, and 11. See, 8 is already done. Now in the pre-order, identify the next root. Next root that we have is 9. Correct? So 9 will be placed here. What is it towards its left? 10. What is it towards its right? 11. So here 10 and here 11. Are you clear? Now we'll do the next part. See here, 10, is it already included? Yes. Then is 11 already included? Yes. 5, is it already included? Yes. So now we are left with 3, 6, and 7. Correct? 3, 6, and 7. Now what we will do is, we will try to find the next root. Next root is 3. So 3 will come here. So 6 is towards its left and 7 is towards its right. So that will become the left child and this will become the right child. This is how you will construct the tree. Okay. Let me take one simple example. Last one. Let me explain. Pre-order is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Inorder is B, A, B, C, B, A, D, C, F, E, G. Okay, so again, how will you start? You will start with the pre-order. So A becomes the root, first root. Then you have to identify. Okay, A is here. So everything towards the right becomes the right child. Everything towards the left is a part of the left child. So B is towards the left and towards the right you have D, C, F, E, and G, like this. Then because B has only one node, so B will directly come here. Whereas C, A is done, B is done. Now identify the next root. So next node that you have is C. So C becomes the new root and C is here. So everything towards the right becomes a right child and everything towards the left becomes a left child. So D will come to the left and here F, E, and G. Okay, so directly D will come here and to the other side you will have F, E, and G. So D is already included in the pre-order, so I will not include it in the tree. Next is E. E. So E becomes the root. The other one is to the left is F and the towards the right it is G. So here F comes and here G. This is how you construct the tree. Okay. Now I'll give you one example for you to solve. You solve this and get back to me if you have any doubts. Okay. So pre-order is A, B, C, E, D, F, and G. Okay. Let me erase this one and write it again. This is E. Likewise, in order is D, B, E, A, F, C, and G. Okay. Pause the video here and do the solution and then you can check the solution. Pause the video here. Okay. So let me do the solution. After you're done with the book solution, then you check your answer. Okay. Here I've not written these intermediate notes. You have to write. Okay. So this is for your practice question, right? So I've not written it. Okay. So check if your answer is correct. If it is correct, that means I hope you have understood. So these are the examples I've solved. You can take a screenshot and then practice some questions like this. Okay. Now let's go to see in binary constructing the binary tree. Pre-order and in-order is done. Now post-order and in-order. Okay. So I will use post-order and then I will use in-order. Okay. So it's exactly the same except in one of them, the right side one will be checked from the right because in post-order, the root comes to the right. Correct, isn't it? So let me write the post-order. So 9, 1, 2, 12, 7, 5, 3, 11, 4, 8. Here 9, 5, 1, 7, 2, 12, 8, 4, 3, 11. This is your post order and in order. Now I will try to construct the binary tree. So if you remember in order follows what order for traversal in order. So it is left child, then your root, and then your right child. Okay. And post order is left comes first, followed by right, then the child. Sorry, the root. Here it would be root. Post means root comes at the end. In order means root comes in the middle. Okay. Now, how will you construct the tree? So, first is you have to identify the root. In the case of in order, it is difficult. Whereas in case of post order, you know that the root always comes in the right. Correct? Root always comes in the right. So, this is going to be the root. 8 is going to be the root. Correct? So, 8 will become the root. So, 8 is here. So, everything towards its left is the part of the right child and everything towards the left becomes a part of the left child. So, 9, 5, 1, 7, 2 and 12 comes here and 4, 3 and 11 will come here. Okay. Now, let's try to construct the left subtree. Okay. So, here, now let me try to construct the tree. See, 8 is already done. So, I have 4. So, 4 will become the part of the right subtree, right? So, here 4 is there. So, 4 is here. Correct? So, 4 becomes the next root. But if you look very carefully, nothing is there to the left of the 4. Correct? Nothing is there to the left of 4. So, 4 does not have any left child. Whereas to the right, it has two nodes, 3 and 11. Correct? Are you understanding? Okay. So, we have constructed. So, next value that we have is 11. So, 11 becomes the new root. And if I have written 11, what is to the left of 11? 3. What is to the right of 11? Nothing. So, to the left of 11, I have 3. So, 3 comes. This comes. Okay. So, I've included 3 also. Now, let's do the left side. Okay. So, now I have 5. So, 5 becomes the new root now. So, if I write 5, then to the left of 5, I have 9 and to the right of 5, I have these many nodes. 1, 7, 2 and 12. And towards its left, I have 9. So there is only one node. So 9 directly becomes the left child. And to the right. So here you see next value I have is 7. So I'll write 7. What is its towards its left? 7's left is 1. 7's right I have 2 comma 12. Okay, so this directly becomes 1. Now 2 and 12, sorry, just a second, okay. I accidentally uh, changed the settings. Let me go, wait so that it loads. Okay, so we'll continue this part. So here we are, okay, at 12 and 2. So next node is 12. So 12 comes to this part and 12's left is 2. So this is how you construct the tree using in order and post order. Let me do one more example so that it becomes clear. Um, okay, so example number 2. Let me take an example of in order B, A, D, C, F, E, G. B, A, D, C, F, E, G. And its post order is, sorry, its post order is B, D, F, G, E, C, A. This is the post order. Okay, so let's start. If you remember, first thing you have to do is identify the root. So this is left root and right. This is left, right, and root. Okay, so root is over here, A. So A I will write as a root. So to the left, I have only B, and to the right, I have these many. So to the left, I have B, and to the right, I have D, C, F, E, and G. Correct? So B is only having one node, so no problem, that becomes a left child. But to the right child, again, you will have to do some calculation. See, uh, first let me erase all this unnecessary things, okay? So, yeah. So next thing that I have is C. So C I have here. So this becomes a right child. This becomes a left child. So C is here. To the left, I have D, and to the right of this, I have F, E, and G. Okay, so D will come here and F, E, G. Okay, so G is the next. No, sorry, E is the next one. Sorry, E is the next one. I will know what just happened. Okay, this is A, and this is supposed to be G. This is supposed to be G. Sorry. Okay, so E will become the new root. Towards its left, I have F. Towards its right, I have G. So this is F and this is G. This is how you will do the tree construction. Okay, now let me give you one example. You try to solve this and then check for the solution. So I have the in order as B, E, G, C, B, E, G, C, F, H, A, and its post order I have is E, G, F, H, C, B, and A. Pause the video here and do the solution. Then you can restart the video and start the solution. Pause the video here. Okay. So I hope you have finished the solution now. Let me show you the solution. I'm not writing the intermediate notes. I will assume you would have done that. Okay. Check if your answer is correct. If your answer is correct, I'll assume that you have understood the question. Okay. So this is how you will do the traversal. The construction of the tree using Inorder and Postorder traversal. Okay. Now the next part is where I will be given with an expression. I will be given with an expression and I will have to construct a tree out of it. Expression means it's a combination of what? It's a combination of operands and operators, right? Like the symbols will be there. So you will have to construct the tree using it. Okay. Now let me take an example and show you the construction here. Okay. So there is one past paper question that I would like to show you here. See this question. Let me show you that question. Here it is. Draw a binary tree. Draw a binary tree. Can you see? Draw a binary tree for the following expression: 3 plus 4 star 7 minus 6 divided by 4 plus 3. Traverse the tree to obtain the pre-order and post-order expression. So 6 marks question. So you will be given an expression and you will have to construct the tree. Okay, let's do that. I will take this expression now. A minus B divided by C power D plus E star F. This is the expression I have. Now you have to form a tree out of this expression. See, you have to understand the precedence for this. I hope you remember the precedence. If not, let me write the precedence. See, brackets always have the highest preference. Okay. Brackets have the highest preference. And the associativity is from left to right. That means the expression will be evaluated from left to right. And next one will be power. Power has the next highest precedence. The associativity of this is right to left. Then you have multiplication and division. They have the next precedence. So, next precedence. And their associativity is left to right. Evaluation happens from left to right is what I'm trying to say. And then you have plus and minus. Again, the associativity is left to right. Okay. Now, what you have to understand is when you have a tree like this, see, for example, if I have a tree, something like this, not exactly alphabet, but some value, let's say like this. You have to understand that the one on the top has the highest precedence. Sorry, the one at the bottom has the highest precedence. The one at the bottom has the highest precedence. And the one on the top will have the lowest of all the precedence. So when you try to construct the tree, you have to identify the one with the lowest. See, this is my shortcut. Okay, always when you construct, if you're constructing from the highest, then you will have to start from the bottom. But because it is easy to construct from the top, so I will use that only. Okay, at the top, you should have the lowest precedence. Okay, you should have the lowest precedence. Now, see here. See here. This one. Okay. So, precedence is, see, plus and minus are having the equal precedence, isn't it? plus and minus. Okay. So what you will do in such case, what you have to do is you start from this side. Start from right to left. So identify the first lowest. The first lowest that you have is plus, right? So that becomes the main root. Plus becomes the main root. So everything towards its left becomes the left part, and everything towards its right is a right part. So E star F becomes the right, and A minus B divided by C power D becomes the left part. Now, see here, this is easy, right? E star F, the right part. So star automatically will come to the root, and E will become its left part, and this becomes its right part. So no problem. But what about in the other side? See, there is minus symbol, there is division symbol, and there is a power symbol. So think of the one with the least precedence. The one with the least precedence is minus. So minus becomes the next root. So everything towards the left of minus becomes the left part. Everything towards the right of it becomes the right part. So B divided by C power D. Okay, so here again A will be coming. Then out of division, and see, right child is having two values, right? So one not value, sorry, two arithmetic operator, right? One is your division and the other one is power. So which is having the least precedence? Division is having the least precedence. So division will become the next root. What is it towards its left? B. And what is it towards the right? C power D. So B will be here, and power obviously operator, so it will come in the operand, so it will come in the middle, and C over here and D to the right. Are you understanding? Okay, let me do one more. You have to remember the highest precedence always comes at the bottom. Okay, because the expression when we evaluate, we will have to evaluate from this the bottom end. That's why. Okay, let's do the next problem. See here, let me have this 3 plus 4 star. This was the one in the question, okay, that I just showed you in the beginning. Sorry. Seven minus 6 divided by 4 plus 3, like this. Okay, so start from right and identify the smallest, the one with the least precedence. So if you look at this expression from left to right, plus is having the least precedence. So plus becomes the root here, main root. What comes towards its left? Everything from here to here becomes its left. So 3 plus 4 star 7 minus 6 divided by 4. That becomes your left part, and 3 becomes a right. So no problem. 3 is easily put like this. Then again identify the next least precedence. So you will go from this way. So if you look at the precedences, plus is having the least precedence, right? So you will try to include plus here. So its left is 3 and its right is this whole part. So this is 3, which becomes the left part. And here you have 4 star 7 minus 6 divided by 4. Okay, 7 minus 6 divided by 4. Now identify the next least preference. You have to start from the right. Remember, you have to start from the right. So division has the least precedence. So division comes here. What comes towards the right of this division operator? It is 4. What comes towards the left? It is 4 star 7 minus 6. So 4 will come here. Next to precedence, lowest precedence. So if you look here, There is a bracket, there is minus, and there is what is that? Multiplication. So multiplication will come next. Okay. So multiplication next least. So right side you have 7 minus 6. So 4 becomes the left child, and 4 becomes the left child, and the right side is 7 minus 6. So 7 minus 6. So minus comes here, and 7 here, and 6 is over here. Are you understanding? So take the least precedence operator, place it at the top root, and then divide everything towards the left of that operator as a left child, and everything to the right of it as a right child. Okay. Now let me do the last one. You try this one. You pause the video. Okay. A star B divided by C plus E divided by F star G plus K minus X star Y. Pause the video here. Okay. Pause the video here and do the construction and get back to the video. So precedence is first bracket, then division, this power, then multiplication and division, then plus and minus. So to start from the right, if you start from the right, so first is plus the star. So star, okay, and next you have minus. So minus will have the least precedence, right? So minus becomes the main root. So this part is the left of it, and this is towards its right. Sorry, this part is towards the right, and this is towards its left. So left is X star Y, and towards the left I have this entire thing, A star B divided by C plus E divided by F star G plus K. And here you can solve this because anyways there's only one operator, so star will come here, and then you will have X to the left and Y to the right. Okay, then you will try to find the next least one. Next least is plus. Next is plus. So towards its 1 minute. Wait. So I have, see here, I have minus, then X minus. So I will have something like this. Then next one I will have is plus. Correct? So I'll have plus. So here, let me take that part. Okay, it is little confusing. So let me write it over here. A star B divided by C plus E divided by F star G. This is what it is there. Okay. Plus K. Plus K. This is how it is going to look like, right? Now, if you understand in this, plus is the next small, right? So here, then comes K. Towards the left, I have all those things. A star B divided by C plus E divided by F star G plus K. No, sorry, plus K is already gone, right? Okay. Now, again, I will try to find out the next next least. So again, I have plus this plus. So towards the right, I have E divided by F star G, and towards the left, I have A star B divided by C. Okay, so I'll do the, anyone is fine. I'll do this part. So I have division and I have multiplication. So multiplication will have the least preference. Both have the equal preference. But then when you come from the right to left, star has the least preference. So this will be E divided by F. And this is just G. So G becomes the root. and here it is division. Then you have E and F. Likewise, to the other side, when you go from the right, so division is a next least one. So here you will get C. The other side you will have A star B. Now star will come here. So here A and here. Check if you're getting this answer. If you're getting this answer, that means you have understood the concept. So in this video, we have learned how to construct the binary tree using the different traversal techniques. And also we have learned how to construct the binary tree when you just have an expression. Okay. So kindly learn properly for the in this test as well as for the future when you do the campus placements. This will be very helpful. Okay. So thank you so much.